Hello kids, welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are doing well and studied the previous lessons properly. So in the last class, I had discussed about the function keys, which are from 12 function keys, which are from F1 to F12. Then about some special keys like the enter key, which is used to move the cursor in the next line. Then the space bar key that is used to create space between two words, and then the caps lock key that is used to type a letter or word in capital. Okay. Then we have left with some more three special keys. So today I will discuss about those keys. Okay. So first is backspace key. So what is the use of backspace key?
Backspace key. The backspace key is used to delete a letter, word, or paragraph typed on the left side of the cursor on the screen.
So this is the backspace key. The position is on the keyboard after the plus sign. Okay, after the plus sign, the backspace key is present on the keyboard. So the backspace key is used to erase if we make any mistake while typing. Okay. Now, when you write in your copy, sometimes you make mistakes. লেখার সময় ভুল হয়. So then what we will do? We rub the mistake with eraser and then we rewrite. Okay. So similarly, while we make any mistake on typing of the computer screen, okay, computer screen যদি আমরা লিখতে কোনো ভুল হয়, then similarly we can erase the wrong thing using the backspace key. Okay, so here our eraser is the backspace key. Now for this we have to place the backspace key after the letter that we want to erase. Okay, suppose we want to erase a letter A, so we have to place the cursor after the letter. Can after the letter, as the backspace key is used to erase the letter present at the left of the cursor. কার্সারের লেফটে যে লেটারটা থাকবে ব্যাকস্পেস কি সেই লেটারটাকে ইরেজ করতে পারবে। সো আমাদের কি করতে হবে, কার্সারটাকে সেই লেটারের পরে প্লেস করতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? নাও হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কার্সার? আমি কার্সার লাস্ট ডে ডিসকাস। দ্য কার্সার ইজ দ্য small blinking line. So this line indicates the position from where we have to start our typing. Okay, so the backspace key can erase any letter present at the left of the cursor. So always we have to place the cursor at the left of the letter that we want to delete. Clear? So this is the use of backspace key. Now the next key is delete key. Now what is this use of this delete key?
The delete key is used to delete anything typed wrong on the right side of the cursor. In case you have typed apple instead of apple, you can erase the extra E by moving the cursor before the letter E, using the arrow keys and pressing the delete key once.
So this is the delete key. See at the keyboard, the position of the delete key is after this two position of this delete key. On a standard keyboard, there are two delete key. Okay, these blue keys are delete key. Now the delete key is also used as a eraser to erase letter or word present right of the cursor. Okay, present at the right of the cursor. Okay, so আমরা দেখেছি while we using backspace key, the cursor and the backspace key erase the letter present at the left of the cursor. And now for delete key erase the letter present at the right of the cursor. Okay, so backspace দিয়ে কিছু letter delete করতে গেলে we have to place the cursor after the letter, and if we want to delete any word or any letter using the delete key, then we have to place the cursor before the letter. Okay, before the letter. So the delete key is also used when we type a wrong word or any wrong letter, then we can delete the key, delete the letter using this delete key. Clear? Now the last key is tab key. Okay, so this is the tab key. See, in the third row of the keyboard, the most left corner, in third row, the most left corner key is, this is the tab key. So what is the use of this tab key? The tab key helps the cursor to move many spaces at a time. So we have seen earlier that using the space bar key, we can create space between words. Okay, now the tab key is similar with the space bar key. Using the tab key, we can also create space, but we can create many space. So space bar দিয়ে আমরা যেখানে one place space create করতে পারছিলাম. So using the tab key, we can create many place spaces at a time. Okay, একটা টাইমে যদি আমি এক প্লেস সরি, এক প্লেস স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করতে পারি স্পেস বার কি দিয়ে, ট্যাব কি দিয়ে কিন্তু আমি একটা টাইমে একটা লং স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করতে পারবো। ওকে, তো স্পেস বার কি দিয়ে আমি একটা টাইমে শর্ট কি স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করতে পারবো, আর ট্যাব কি দিয়ে আমি লং স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করতে পারবো। ওকে, সো ইট ইজ ইউজ টু মুভ দ্য কার্সার ফাস্টার দ্যান স্পেস বার। তো আমার কি হলো, স্পেস বার দিয়ে আমি যেহেতু শর্ট স্পেস ক্রিয়েট করতে পারি, সো for moving the cursor on the screen, we need more time, but using the tab key, as we can create long space, so we move the cursor very faster than the space bar key. Clear? So this is the use of tab key, which is similar to space bar key, and it is used to create long space or many space at a time. Okay, so with the tab key, all the special keys are end. Okay, tab key, this is the last special key that I have discussed. So with this key, all the discussion of keys are end of this chapter. Okay. So children, now you have to read all these keys, about all these keys from your computer book, and then solve this skill sheet book task. Okay. This is the page number 13 of your skill sheet book. Okay. Chapter keyboard, that is on this chapter question answer of your skill sheet book, page number 13. Now first is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is the alphabet keys are in dash format for typing in good speed. So I had discussed that the alphabet keys are arranged in QWERTY format, QWERT, QWERTY format, so that we can type the alphabets in a good speed. Clear? Now number 2 is arrow keys control the movement of the cursor. Okay, cursor key can, so that we can call the cursor key as a directed key, as this is used to control the direction of the cursor. Next, number 3 is dash key is one of the most important keys on the keyboard. So I had discussed in the last class, enter key is one of the most important key on the keyboard. Now number 4 is dash keys are also called as director keys. So arrow keys are director keys. Next, delete key is used to erase the letter. Next, erase on the dash of the cursor. So on the right of the cursor, okay, we have to place the cursor at the right position. That means right position means before the letter. Okay, so right side of কার্সারে যে রাইটে থাকে যে লেটারটা, ডিলিট কি দিয়ে আমরা সেই লেটারটা ডিলিট করতে পারি। ক্লিয়ার? নেক্সট ইজ ড্যাশ কি ইজ ইউজ টু ইরেজ দ্য letter text on the left side of the cursor. Okay, left side of the cursor letter delete করতে গেলে we have to use the backspace key, so we have to place the backspace key after the word. Okay, after the word মানে কি হলো, cursor এর left এ। Clear? Next, number 7 is dash key is also used to pass our comments to the computer. So enter key is also used to pass our comments to the computer. Now the question answer. Question number 1 is name the different types of keys. So we had learned about different types of keys in this chapter. So what are they? They are alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. About these 5 types of key we had learned in this chapter. Okay. Now next is what does a backspace key do? So a backspace key is used to erase the letter present at the left of the cursor. Clear? Now what is the function of the tab key? The tab key is used to move the cursor many spaces at a time. Okay, tab key দিয়ে কি করা যায়, at a time the long space or many space create করা যায়. Okay, So after reading this topic, students, all of you complete the task in your skill sheet book, page number 30. Now I will show you the practical demonstration or how to use the delete key, tab key and backspace key practically. Okay. So this is the word window where we have to type on the computer. So now suppose now I am writing computer word. This word computer. Okay. Now suppose I have written an extra T. Mistakenly I have written an extra T in the word computer. So I have to delete the word, delete the letter. Okay, mistakenly and extra T.